16-14. Ateneo has been they were in charge majority of this third set, but ito na nga, itong Philippine Army started really to clamp down on defense, and of course their offense followed soon after. Now they have a 2-point lead, 16-14. This time Valdez connects from behind the line. And Ella gets ready to serve. Floater is good.
Oh, good serve.
Bumawi si Ella.
And at this point, ito yung kailangan nila. No, again, we are on the third set. Last chance for Ateneo to extend this game.
Good serve again from Ella. This time to Carolino. Also having some trouble with the... Ooh! Ayan na, diretso sa net. And Ateneo has the lead. They have the lead, I mean, 17-16. Picasa, the official call of the Shakey's V-League. Good serve. Oh! Solid block by Ahumiro.
Dakis gets blocked. Ahumiro actually performing well in this game. One of the top 4 scorers. As you take a look at this block. Solid block.
Actually, siya na lang yung nag-block nun, ano?
Ahumiro scoring 6 points and 3 block points already for this game.
Gutierrez again connecting. This time via a combination play. Ba, kanina pa gumagawa itong si Gutierrez.
Of course, quality minutes here for Coach Rico. Oh, and this time it's your fault. It's your fault, ah.
I just said gumagawa siya sa spikes, but Reed didn't say anything about her serve. So, again, down by 2 itong Army. Ahumiro with the serve. Galing naman ng tapo ni Urs.
That one gets through.
This is going down the wire, folks. Third set, very, very important. Of course, for Ateneo, they want to extend this one to a 4th. Good block by Bunag. They push it up. Rachel gets blocked. Binalik sa kanya. Eto, pinaluan na sila ni Rachel. 19 all. Yonko with a serve. Oh, not over. That's Tejada, Marge Tejada, almost getting that ball over, but again, luck not on her side. Philippine Army takes advantage of that one and has a 1-point lead here in the third.
Excellent reception.
Dun ang punta. That's a good play right there from Jem. Make sure you get Alisa involved. Ayun, tumapon. That was off the block. Good attack from Alisa Valdez. Tejada with a serve. This one is good. Good dig by Tejada.
Jesus for that attack.
John. Hinabol ni Rachel. Ahumiro. Good defense.
Oh, no coverage for the Philippine Army.
And itong si Alisa kinda fell on off balance, but she's shaking it off. I think she's okay. Tejada with another good serve. Pinalo agad. Gretchen with a push out. Good save though from the Army. Naku, hindi nakapasok ng maganda si Valdez.
Oh.
Pero Hindi rin inabutan ng Army. So, Ateneo now with a 2-point lead.
And this is the kind of heart, diba, you want to see from a team like a team like this. Na tama nga, walang guest players. They're really just working twice as hard to go up against very experienced and talented players here from the Philippine Army.
Block is John Bunag. This time she drops. Alisa.
Triple block.
Oh!
Daki's going for that area behind the blocker.
And the crowd here at the Ninoy Aquino suddenly coming to life with this Ateneo lead 23-20.
Ayun naman eh, bibigay lang tayo eh. Siyata mo yung sagam. Pabi tayo, tatlo lang yan.
Uy! Tina Salak comes in. I guess it's a situational sub because they were caught with only 2 attackers at the front. So let's see if this gamble will pay off because these are cold players coming in right now.
And Ateneo's down to their last 2 points. The blocking for Ateneo is really working at this point. With that error, punching the ball over, pero yung direction, mali.
Tina Salak had to reach really deep for that one, but yun na nga, yung huling touch from Rachel. And it is now set point for Ateneo. Tejada very steady at the serve.
Bunag.
One more go. They go to Rachel.
Oh, that one goes long. Back-to-back errors.
Si Coach Parley tumawid, napangiti lang. Alam niya, he pulled one from the Philippine Army.
Let's take a look at her shakies. Shake and play. Valdez has been very dependable here for Ateneo. Daki sends this one long.
Actually, crucial errors in the end game of that set from Rachel cost them the set. So it's a different ball game altogether. Be back with the 4th after this break.